As men cross the age of 60, one of the biggest challenges they quietly face is the gradual decline in strength, energy, and performance. What many don't realize is that this isn't just about age, it's often about poor circulation, weakened muscles, and lack of stimulation in the body's natural energy points. Imagine waking up every single morning full of vitality, feeling young again, and starting your day with confidence. Sounds impossible after 60? Not at all. For centuries, traditional healing methods like acupressure have been used to restore male vitality without pills, surgeries, or side effects. By simply pressing 3 specific points on your manhood, you can activate blood flow, improve nerve response, and wake up hard and ready every morning. This simple technique has already helped thousands of elderly men regain the strength and power they thought was gone forever. If you've been struggling with low energy, weak performance, or mornings that no longer feel the same, then stay with me. Because what you're about to learn could change your mornings and your life forever. Growing older is a natural part of life, but for many men, crossing the age of 60 can feel like stepping into a world of limitations. Energy levels drop, mornings feel slower, and a man's confidence in his own strength often begins to fade. Yet inside every man, no matter his age, lives the same desire for vitality, energy, and passion that he once enjoyed in his younger years. The truth is, nature has already built powerful tools into the human body, tools that, when activated, can restore strength and power even in later years. You don't need expensive medicines, risky procedures, or magic formulas. Sometimes, all it takes is understanding how your body works and learning how to awaken it again. One of the most overlooked secrets of male vitality is the role of pressure points. For centuries, cultures around the world have practiced acupressure to treat fatigue, weakness, and loss of energy. These pressure points are like hidden switches inside the body. When pressed correctly, they stimulate blood circulation, awaken nerve endings, and reignite the natural flow of energy. Now imagine what happens when those points are directly connected to a man's strength, confidence, and performance. The result can be powerful, like rediscovering your youth every single morning. Picture this: a man wakes up at 62, expecting the same dull, lifeless morning he has grown used to. But instead, he feels a surge of strength, a firmness he thought he had lost forever, and a rush of confidence that instantly lifts his mood. He doesn't feel weak anymore. He doesn't feel too old anymore. He feels like a man again. That's the power of pressing just 3 simple points. 3 points that can change how your mornings begin, how your days unfold, and how your nights end. But before we dive into the practice itself, let's understand why so many men after 60 struggle with this issue in the first place. With age, blood circulation naturally slows down. Arteries stiffen, the heart pumps less efficiently, and the body doesn't deliver oxygen and nutrients as effectively as it once did. For men, this means weaker muscles, slower recovery, and less natural energy in the reproductive system. Add to that stress, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and the side effects of medications, and it's no wonder so many elderly men wake up feeling drained and disconnected. The good news is that the body is remarkably adaptable. Even at 60, 70, or beyond, it has the ability to heal, recover, and grow stronger when given the right stimulation. This is where acupressure comes in. By simply using your own hands to press and massage 3 specific points on your manhood, you can send signals through your nervous system that trigger better blood flow, awaken sleeping muscles, and restore vitality to areas that need it the most. It's not complicated, it doesn't require expensive tools, and it only takes a few minutes each day. When you press these points, something incredible happens inside your body. The smooth muscles of the reproductive system begin to relax, allowing more blood to flow in freely. The nerves become more responsive, sending signals to the brain that reignite desire and energy. Over time, these small daily actions build up into long, lasting improvements. What starts as a simple morning routine becomes a powerful tool for restoring manhood, confidence, and strength. Many men who have tried this practice report feeling changes within just a few days. They wake up firmer, stronger, and more energetic. Their mood improves because nothing boosts confidence like knowing your body is still capable. They walk taller, smile more, and feel a renewed sense of masculinity. Even their partners notice the difference, not just in the bedroom, but in the way they carry themselves throughout the day. Science supports this too. Acupressure has been shown to improve circulation, reduce stress hormones, and release natural chemicals in the body that promote relaxation and healing. For elderly men, this means not only stronger mornings, but also better sleep, more energy, and even improved prostate health. It's a complete system of renewal that begins with something as simple as pressing 3 points. Let's imagine how this could change your life. Instead of starting the day with disappointment, you wake up with strength. Instead of avoiding intimacy out of embarrassment, you approach it with confidence. Instead of feeling like your best years are behind you, you realize they can still be ahead of you. And it all starts with taking a few minutes for yourself each day to apply this ancient technique. But remember, consistency is key. Just like exercising builds muscles or eating healthy improves your body over time, pressing these points daily is what makes the real difference. One morning might feel good, but weeks of practice can completely transform your vitality. Think of it as an investment in your manhood, in your energy, and in the quality of your life. Men over 60 often feel like their options are limited. Doctors might prescribe pills that only mask the problem temporarily, leaving you dependent on chemicals with side effects. Surgeries are risky, expensive, and invasive, but your body already has a natural method built inside it, one that doesn't cost anything and carries no risks. The only thing it requires is your willingness to try, your patience to practice, and your belief that you can be strong again. And this belief is powerful, because when a man believes in his strength, he lives differently. He becomes more active, more confident, more engaged with life. He doesn't shy away from challenges. He doesn't feel left behind. Instead, he feels alive, and that's what pressing these 3 points can give back to you. The feeling of being alive again, no matter your age. So if you've been struggling, if you've been quietly wishing for a solution that doesn't involve embarrassing doctor visits or costly treatments, know this: your solution is already in your hands, literally. Every morning before you even step out of bed, take a few minutes to apply this practice. Feel the energy return, feel the difference build day by day, and watch how your mornings transform into powerful beginnings filled with strength and pride. The choice is yours. You can accept decline as just part of getting older, or you can take control and press the restart button on your vitality. You can allow weakness to steal your mornings, or you can reclaim them with confidence. Men over 60 don't have to give up their manhood. They just need to remember how to activate it. And with 3 simple points, you can do exactly that. Age may slow the body, but it can never take away the fire inside you. That fire is still there, waiting to be reignited. All you have to do is press, breathe, and believe. At the end of the day, every man deserves to feel alive, confident, and strong, no matter his age. Crossing 60 does not mean your best years are behind you. It simply means you need to listen to your body in a smarter way. By learning how to activate the 3 hidden points on your manhood, you are not just pressing for blood flow. You are pressing for energy, vitality, and self-respect. Think about it. Just a few minutes each morning can completely change how you start your day. Instead of waking up tired and discouraged, you wake up energized, firm, and ready to face life with pride. That spark of manhood, once thought lost, becomes part of your daily routine again. Remember, this is not magic. It's your body responding to natural stimulation. The more consistently you practice, the stronger your mornings become. Age may add wrinkles to your face, but it doesn't have to take away the strength in your spirit or the power in your body. So take this simple knowledge, apply it, and experience the transformation for yourself. Because true manhood isn't lost with age, it's awakened with action.